Your barbershop visits could be killing your 360 waves and your barber isn't telling you why. I'm about to reveal 3 barbershop secrets that separate wavers with perfect 360s from those stuck spinning their wheels. If you've ever left the barbershop and your waves look worse, this video is for you. And today we're talking about the biggest mistakes happening at the barbershop that are destroying your wave progress. I've been waving for years and I've seen it all. Bad fades, cuts against the grain, and barbers who just don't understand wave maintenance. Let's fix that right now. Secret number 1. Most wavers never tell their barber they're training waves. Your barber needs to know you're working on 360 waves before they touch your head. Here's exactly what to say when you sit in that barbershop chair. Say this: I'm training 360 waves, so I need you to cut with my wave pattern, not against it. Keep at least a 1.5 guard on top to preserve my wave depth. Pro tip: show your barber a reference photo of the wave depth you want to maintain. Visual communication eliminates confusion. Secret 2: your waves need time to develop depth and connection. When you cut too frequently, you're constantly resetting your progress back to zero. Here's my personal barbershop schedule. I go every 18 days. That gives me 2.5 weeks of solid wave training between cuts. If you absolutely need a fresh lineup for an event, ask for an edge up only. No clippers on top. A skilled barber can clean your hairline without touching your wave depth. That's the difference between maintaining waves and starting over. Secret 3: post barbershop recovery. What you do in the first hour after leaving the barbershop determines your wave recovery speed. Most wavers make a critical mistake right here. As soon as you leave that barbershop, you need to reestablish your wave pattern immediately. Keep a brush in your car. I'm serious. Brush for 10 minutes. Here's why: your barber just disrupted your wave pattern with clippers. The hair is confused about which direction to lay. There you have it. 3 barbershop secrets that will transform your wave game. Drop a comment and tell me your worst barbershop wave disaster. I'll reply with specific fixes. Hit that subscribe button for more wave secrets every week.